let me walk you through the steps of skincare as a beginner. So if you're a beginner, stick with me. Using the Fresh Glow Cleansing Gel. This is made with salicylic acid, green tea, and it's so super nice for your face. So the reason why I'm using a towel is because this helps exfoliate and get rid of dead skin cells, as well as allow me to get into areas that my hand can get into. Don't forget to wash your neck, the back of your ear. Yeah, I think I'm done with this. So I'm just going to rinse this off now. I'll be back. So next I'm going to spray in my toner, and this is the Revive Face Mist. This is simply amazing, guys. This refreshes your skin. It's made with rose water and witch hazel, so it's very nice for your skin. You want to let your toner dry, and after that you go in with your serum. If you're a beginner, please do not start with active serums such as retinol serum. You can use vitamin C, but I would recommend you start with something mild like this brightening serum right here. This is a niacinamide serum, so this will help give me hydration, and you really don't need so much. Next, I'm going to be going in with my face moisturizer, and I'm using the Ultra Fairness face moisturizer. Just going to apply a little, actually very lightweight and rich in hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and vitamin B3. That's niacinamide. Okay, that's for my skincare. Now let's go into makeup. Oops, I have here with me my foundation. Like you all know, okay, this thing has been with me since forever. I don't know why it doesn't want to finish, but I'm glad it's not finished. I recommend seeing spa therapies when you want to start a skincare journey, especially if you are a beginner, because as a beginner to skincare, you don't want to even concern yourself about getting lights, getting the different shade, getting the 3, 4, 5 shades. Okay, you just need to concern yourself about having an even complexion, clear complexion, and healthy skin. That should be your priority as a beginner to skincare. Okay, for example, you might come to me and ask me to give you a whitening product or a lightening product, and see your skin clearly needs exfoliation. You clearly need to come for body polishing, to wash your skin, to get rid of dead skin cells. Trust me, you might use those products and they won't give you a result if your skin is clogged and needs attention. Not only that, if you're doing a dermaplaning facials, you tend to remove excess dead skin cell from your skin that even a normal soap cannot remove. Seeing a spa therapist before starting your journey will save you a lot more money, stress, and time. This is not like my kind of bra, but let's go with it. Hash bras where? Thanks, sis. Let's rock this. Okay. So I got this palette from my sister. She was about to give it to someone else when I saw it. So I took it. And I like it. So I've been eyeing this eyeshadow palette, this particular color, this. In fact, they have gorgeous colors. So let's get into it. So this was a skincare video. I've changed it to makeup anyway. Let's go back to our skincare. I know I said I was going to talk about skincare, but first, let's just look at this. Look at this gorgeousness. I feel like crying. Now watch me swatch it. Okay, I know. I can always count on this baby right here. Look at that. Just see. Oh, deserve presidential meeting, awards taking. Look at it. You don't know how all this TikTok people used to do. I'm sure if I'm selling this palette, I'll be very stingy with it because it's just too good not to have. Okay, so I'm going to put this very bright color here, like teardrop, just because, you know, just because. I thought I was going to be talking about skincare all through this video, but this eyeshadow stole the show. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm using my Beauty by Jones wing liner. For the love of smoky eyes, we're going to be doing a smoky eyes today. So I'm going to put this just at the edge of my eyelids. Lashes, we're going to be using this one right here. Pink blush, contour, nude, lipstick, gloss. So I'm going to get ready off camera and I'll come back to show you my look. So this is what I'm going to be wearing. Let me just set this face quickly. So I hope you got the gist. please, when you're getting skincare, make sure you know what you're doing. Get a spa therapist or a dermatologist, someone who can guide you in, your skincare journey. Okay, use safe products, healthy products, and glow with it. So set for the event. This is what I'm putting on, and it says Petro. So it says Petro at the back, 24. So let's go have fun. Okay, bye.